Hello what Hamin. So welcome back to the channel. This is a tutorial video on how to migrate from V1 to V2 Vote and this is a very particular and great information to pass out, which from the official Twitter handle on Vote they actually said after 1 week of this particular migration being launched and you did not migrate, you need to wait for about a month before you can migrate again. So put this at the back of your mind as we move into the video. Right now I'm going to be sending a link to this platform at the description of this particular video. So all you need to do is to go to the description and click on it. Then I'm going to be dropping it at the first comment section so you can actually click it. This particular website is called the Ever Migrate or the Ever Rise any or the Ever Swap. So any area of it you type in, just go directly to this particular site, which is called Ever Migrate. So once you click on Ever Migrate, you are going to get this right now. Then the first thing you do is to click on your wallet. So before I forget, for those benefits of those watching this particular video for the very first time, do not forget to smash on the red subscribe button for you not to miss a daily update about your favorite token. So after clicking on the wallet address right here, you need to connect your wallet. So the particular wallet you're having your coin from, then you connect it. Then you might actually be having it on any of this particular wallet, so you click on earning. So after you click on earning, you might make sure you have your browser on Chrome or on a web browser. You can change it to the desktop zone if you're actually using it from your phone. So after you've done that, then you come to this side, which is the token inputs. So you input the type of token you want to connect. So it's going to bring it out for you after you connect. So these are the available token that will be in your wallet. So you click on Vote. So after you click on Vote directly, it's going to pop up right here. You're going to be having your Vote at this particular point. That's votes. So after you have your votes right there, they are going to input the amount you want to. So the amount of your voting is actually going to be showing here, the available amount. So after the available amount is actually showing, then the next thing you need to do is to click on the particular amount you want to swap. If it is actually 25%, if it is 50%, and if it is 7%, or if it is maximum, you click on it, then it's going to show up right here. So after showing up, the other way you can actually do, you can scroll down from this particular angle, this side. You can actually scroll for this side, so you can scroll down to the middle. So the more you scroll, it's going to be increasing right there. So if you're actually having about a quadrillion of this particular token, after the 90 has been taken off, it's going to be affecting also in the outputs you're going to be getting right here. So the amount you actually input is going to be showing right here at the output also. And remember, you're going to be using a gas fees to actually make this. So it depends on the area you have this particular token, if it is on the wallet, if it is on the Ethereum blockchain or this Binance blockchain. So if you're using the Ethereum blockchain, you're going to be charged some little amount of Ethereum, and also if you're on the Binance Smart Chain, you're going to be charged some little amount of BNB to actually swap this. So that is the particular area most Vote are actually complaining about, that why did I have to use my token to actually swap, but that is actually what is going on right now. So after you've done that, you actually come right here, then you click on migrate. So you click on migrate at this particular point. So after you click on migrate, it's going to take you to some process, then you make that done. So the migration history is going to be showing right here, then you can actually see your migration history. So before you go, remember you can actually migrate to another contract address. So imagine you're actually coming right here, you're only migrating 50% of your token from V1 to V2 and you want to migrate it to another address. So all you need to do is to click on this particular angle, which is called the. So after you click on it, then you open. So after you click on it, so the new address you want it to migrate into, then that is where you are going to input at this particular point. So you input the new address you want to migrate. So after you've done that, then you click on migrate. So basically that is how to migrate from V1 to V2 without making errors. So thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial gets helpful to you, if the tutorial is actually helpful to you, so do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.